How to remove white background in Adobe Illustrator. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to Files and then move into Open. Select any of the pictures that you want to work with. So once the image is loaded into your artboard, carefully examine the image components. To erase the white background from the image, you need to draw an outline around the part of the photo you need to retain. Here, Zoom tool can come to a great help as it offers precise controls over the pen tool placement. The shortcut key to activate the Zoom tool is Jet, or you can choose it from the toolbar. Use the pen tool to outline the image. For that, the shortcut key is P. Anchor points will be created based on your click points around the image. It will form a series of connecting lines until you choose the entire shape outline. Later, you can also manipulate the shape by hovering over the anchor points and fine-tune the outline. The pen tool is available in the toolbar in the form of a fountain pen icon. Now you will have to create an outline with it. When you are done with creating an outline, you will notice a dotted outline appearing around the image. Now pick the select tools to show all the objects. While clicking the objects, hold the Shift key to select both the foreground as well as background objects simultaneously. Using the shortcut key Ctrl plus click or just simply right-clicking the foreground object, choose the option Make Clipping Mask. This makes the background image completely white. Now if you require saving the image without any background, hit the Y key on your keyboard to activate the Magic Wand tool. Now simply click on the white background area on the artboard. Then press the Delete key to remove the unwanted white background from the image. Save your image EPS for use in page layout or design software. So that's it, and this is simply how you can remove white background in Adobe Illustrator. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.